Hi guys, welcome to Texas Technologies. Today in this tutorial, we discuss on the topic is timetable creation using HTML and CSS. What we discuss on today, how to create table using HTML and CSS. Before going to topic, I will say one thing. Texas Technologies provide all the web technologies and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMM. Completely free web technologies and digital marketing tutorials provide the Texas Technologies. So guys, please like, share my videos and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, I am going to topic what we discuss on today, how to create table using HTML and CSS. Okay, here I am using the editor is brackets. My editor name is brackets. Okay, next in the table creation process, what I am using in this table creation process, what I am using. Okay, here table is the basic parent element. Table is the basic parent element, and next one tr child element, and next one th is the another child element, and td is the next another child element. Okay, these four tags are I am using to create the table. And next one here I am using the for this columns merging. Columns merging for using Colspan, and rows merging for the Rowspan. What I am using Rowspan and Colspan attributes. Rowspan and Colspan attributes. So what is the use of these attributes? Rows are merging. Here lunch for 6 rows are merging, and next here lab for 3 columns are merging. So that's why I am using the merge. That's why I am using the Colspan and Rowspan attributes. Okay. Next, I will write the code. Table.html. Okay. First, I am write the basic HTML structure. Doc type. Okay. Doc type HTML language ENUS. Okay. Next, head section. Okay. Next, in the head section, I have write the title. Okay. Title. Title is the timetable. Timetable in HTML and CSS. HTML and CSS. Okay. Body. H1 Texas Technologies. Okay. Texas Technologies. Table creation. Timetable. Timetable creation using HTML and CSS. Okay. Using HTML and CSS. Okay. Once I will compile this 26. Okay. This is the output. Next, here in the H1, I have write the style. Style equal to text align center. Okay. Text align center. Color blue. Okay. Color blue. Text align center. Next, I am create the table. In the table creation process, table is the basic parent element. Okay. In the table creation process, table is the parent element. Next, I am write the tr for table row. Tr will be create the table row. Next, I am write the table headings. Table headings. Okay. First one, day or period. Second one, 10:30 to 10:20, 9:30 to 10:20. Okay, each period is 15 minutes, 50 minutes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next. Okay, 10:20, 10:20 to 11:10. Okay, 11:10 to 12. 11:10 to 12. Next, 12 to 12 to 12:40. 12 to 12:40 lunch. 12 to 12:40 lunch. Next period, 12:40. 12:40 to 1:30. 1:30? Yeah, 1:30. Next, 1:30 to 2:20. 2:20 to 3:10. 3:10 to 4. 3:10 to 4. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Once I will check the output. Yeah, this is the output. Next, TR. Here I am using the TH. TD replace with TH. Okay. TD replace with TH. Okay, no problem. Okay. Next, TR. Next, another row TR. In the TR, I am write the first TH. TH for Monday to Saturday. Monday. I am create the next another row. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. Once I will check the output, yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. Next, I will create the borders. Next, I will create the borders. Here in the head section, I will write the inline internal CSS. In the head section, I am write the internal CSS. Okay. Internal CSS. I am write the table border 5 pixel groove gray. Okay. Okay. Enter table is the border. Next, I will write the same thing like th and td. Okay, th and td. Next, I will merge these rows. I will merge these rows. Merge for border collapse. Border collapse. Okay. Border collapse. Next, padding 10 pixel. Okay. And next, margin auto for center. Okay, margin auto for center. Next, width 100%. Okay, with 100%. And next, background color. Background color is blue. And color white. Okay, color white. Next, I will create the this English, Maths, Chemistry. Okay, Monday, TD, English, Maths, Chemistry. Okay, first English, Maths, Chemistry. Next, three column, 3 hours lab. Here in the lab process, 3 columns are merged. Guys, 1 minute. Okay, next. Next 3 hours lab. Here 3 columns are merged. Okay, how to write this? Here I am write the TD, next to TD lab. Okay, once we check the output, TD lab. So here lab for lab before lab lunch. TD lunch. Okay, before lab lunch. Okay, lunch. Next 3 hours are lab. Okay, that's why I'm writing the call span. Call span 3. Okay, call span 3. Next, okay, next 3 hours, 3 hours lab. Okay, next last hour physics. Last hour physics. Last hour physics. Okay, last hour physics. Next, I will write the textile and center. Text, textile and center. Okay, textile and center. Okay, next here lunch three. Sorry, lunch. All days are lunch is the same time. So here 6 rows are measured. Here 6 rows are measured. Okay, next here I write the lunch row span 6. Row span 6. Okay, total all days lunch is the same time. Okay, next first 3 hours lab. Tuesday first 3 hours lab. TD lab first 3 hours. So that's why I am writing the call span 3. Okay, next English, chemistry, maths, sports. English, chemistry, maths, sports. Okay, next Wednesday, maths, physics, English, maths, physics, English. Next chemistry, Next 3 hours lab. Okay, next 3 hours lab. Call span 3. Okay, next Thursday, physics, English, chemistry. Thursday, physics, English, physics, English, chemistry. Next, physics, English, chemistry. Next 3 hours lab. Last period, max. Next 3 periods lab. Colspan 3. Last one, TD max. Okay. Next Friday. Friday first 3 hours lab. Friday first 3 hours lab. Colspan 3. Okay, lab. Next, max chemistry, English, physics. Max chemistry, max chemistry, English, physics. Okay, English, chemistry, max seminar sports. TD seminar sports. Okay, once I'll check the output. This is the output. Okay, so guys, this is the process to create the table using HTML and CSS. I hope you all are understand. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing. Texas Technologies provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tools like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing tools provide the Texas Technologies. Okay, guys, if you want to learn any technologies online, please contact me. This is the my phone number. If you want to learn any web technologies course, online, in online, contact me. Okay. If you want to learn any web technologies course in online, contact me. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.